In front of me is OPPO A57s, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Now you need to download this app from Mad Scientist developer, and when it's ready, open it. Following that, you can mute the music right away by tapping on bottom left corner. Then click on this icon with three lines at the bottom right one. Click on Settings at the top and choose I accept in the pop-up. Now you can adjust all of those settings however you wish to. When you're ready, click on the top right corner and bottom one again. This time though, you need to choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Apply to Home and Lock Screen. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and click on Home button. As you can see, after all of that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!